Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I have my June Boxycharm versus Glossy Box unboxing for you guys. So guys, today I have Boxycharm and Glossy Box for you for June of 2018. I know this is really late, and I know I have been posting videos a little bit few and far between. I haven't gotten out as many as I would like, and for those of you who don't know how often I post, usually I post 3 times a week. One of them is usually a live video, and then 2 regular videos, but lately it has been a little bit busy in the ColorMeCassie household here. I mean, I'm excited for everything that's happened and for the weddings and things like that, but oh man, I'm ready for a vacation and I'm ready to have free time again. So you guys, you can expect some better posting schedules like next week. More like back to what I was doing before, 2 to 3 videos a week. So, and I'll continue doing my live streams. I just haven't had time lately, so I'm really sorry about that, you guys. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you also like this video if you enjoy it. Let's jump right into it. First thing we're going to unbox, let's go ahead and do Glossy Box first. This is just the June Glossy Box, the standard little pink box there, and the box says Summer Solstice on it. Ooh, the first thing I see is this Palm Beach Eau de Parfum. So it looks like it's a little rollerball size. Oh, this is cute. The packaging on this is so cute, you guys. I'm usually not into like perfumes, but this is legit. It came in a little cardboard magnetic box thing, and it also came in this tube as well. Oh, this is the actual packaging. This is the packaging. That's so cute. It smells nice. I might actually take this camping. I feel like it'd travel well because it's all cardboard. The glass is all encased, so it would be very unlikely to break. It's kind of like fresh florally type scent. I've not had a fragrance like that before, so maybe I'll bring this camping. That might actually be fun. You guys, this is like the first time in the history of histories that I've been excited about a fragrance. Good job, Glossy Box. I appreciate the larger size, larger value, and I love this packaging. So it says this is worth $16. I believe that. A lot of perfumes this size are around that price point. So, I mean, this actually adds worth to the box this month, which is pretty impressive. The next thing I'm seeing here is this Absolute New York Icon Mini Gold Glitz eyeshadow palette. You guys, we usually don't get eyeshadow palettes in Glossy Box. I feel like this is going really well for Glossy Box so far this month. Have they been listening? Have they been watching my reviews? Probably not. I'm way too small for them to be on my radar, for me to be on their radar. Guys, I can't talk today, but you get what I mean. This is gonna take forever unless I use my scissors to cut the box open. Da-da-da! Scissors to the rescue. I'm so weird today. Probably just because I'm really tired. I've only been getting like 4 hours of sleep for the past 3 or 4 nights or something like that. Definitely not a good thing. But this is what the palette looks like. Definitely really, really cute. And it's just this little compact palette here. I think this is a great size for taking with you traveling. It looks like you get 3 matte shades. The 2 darker ones and the lightest one are all mattes, and then these 3 in the middle here are the shimmer shades. They're swatching pretty nice, especially the shimmery shades. Yeah, I like those shimmer shades so far. You know, the matte shades are actually surprisingly smooth. Usually cheaper eyeshadow palettes tend to be a little bit chalkier with those matte shades, but I am really liking that. I think this is very decent quality. And let's just peek at the price here. It says the full size is $8.99. I think it's definitely worth that, and I really like the quality of this for $8.99. Definitely a really fun thing to get in the box. Next thing I'm seeing in here is this Gilchrist and Soames. It's an English Garden body lotion. Wait, I'm getting a phone call. Stop calling me. This is just a body lotion. I'm not super excited about body lotions in general. I just feel like, I'll buy my own lotion. It's not something that I get super excited about getting in a box. It says that this body lotion, the full size is $24 and it's 15 ounces. This is 2 ounces, so $4, something like that. It's worth $3 to $4. So I guess that's a decent value for the box, but again, something I'm not super excited about getting. The next thing I'm seeing here looks like it is an eyelash curler, and this is actually really nice. It comes with 3 little replacement pads and 1 actually on the eyelash curler. This is a very cute eyelash curler. It's kind of like that rose gold sort of color. Very pretty, and something that you would like having in your makeup bag. So this is definitely good, and the 3 replacement pads makes it worth significantly more because you get way more use out of it. It doesn't just die a slow and painful death over a long period of time. So these are always good to have, and this is a super cute eyelash curler. It's makeup related, which I enjoy, and it's from Immunity Makeup, Professional Eyelash Curler in Rose Gold. It says it's $25. Personally, I don't tend to spend quite that much on an eyelash curler. I spend about half that on an eyelash curler, but it does seem like it is really nice build quality. The next thing I'm seeing is this Karl Lagerfeld and Model & Co. lip liner in Rosewood. I've been getting a lot of Karl Lagerfeld things lately, and I've never heard of him before. Glossybox. So this looks like a very pretty color, kind of like a mauve-y, purpley shade. It glided on really well, and I like that color. I think it looks really pretty. So that's definitely something that will be good to get some use out of. It says right here that the pencils were $30. I probably wouldn't pay that much. I'd probably pay more like $10 or something like that, but still a great thing to get in the box. And the last thing I'm seeing here is this Repose Aromatherapy Resting Cream from Temple & Spa. This is decently full for one of these sizes. It smells really nice. It does kind of make me feel a little bit sleepy, like I want to just dab a little bit on right before bed so that I can sleep better. So that is fun to get. This is something I normally wouldn't do for myself. It's a lotion. Not super excited about the lotion aspect, but I do like the aromatherapy aspect of it, so I'm definitely going to try this out and see if it works for me. And that's everything in my Glossy box. I actually really liked this month. I thought it was pretty awesome. We got an eyeshadow palette, a lip liner, an eyelash curler, this huge size of fragrance, this aromatherapy lotion thing, and this other lotion thing. So I think it was a pretty good box this month. Oh, and I forgot to say the aromatherapy resting cream, the full size is $60 and 1.6 ounces. This is 0.5 ounces, so it's about a third of the size, so a third of 60. This is worth about $20 if you go by weight. Definitely a good addition to the box as well. So looking at this box, even if I completely leave out this lotion that I didn't like and only think about these 5 things in the box, it's still worth about $70, which I think is a great deal for this $20 box. And I am really happy with this month's Glossy box. I think it's awesome. So let's move on to Boxycharm and see how they do. Okay, opening up my Boxycharm here, and the first thing I'm seeing, yes, is some Luxie brushes. I'm so excited about these, you guys. I love Luxie brushes. I like that it actually came in a Ziploc instead of like those crinkly plastic things. I think that's great because then you can use it over if you wanted to. This is so cool. We got 3 brushes. This looks like it's kind of a stippling brush type thing. It says the Luxie 516 Duo Fiber Powder. Then we have the Luxie 660 Precise Foundation. I like these kind of foundation brushes lately. I just feel like they do really well applying my foundation. And the last one is the Luxie 552 Tapered Highlighter. I like these kinds of brushes too. I use them all the time. I actually used one today on my highlight. So I think that's a great thing. I love Luxie brushes and I can never afford them except through subscription boxes, so I think that's an awesome thing. Looking at this, it says a 3-piece Flawless Complexion set by Luxie, has an MSRP of $42. So we're double the cost of the box right away here, you guys. That is so good. This is why I love Boxycharm, and they never let me down. They're always on my side. I think this is a great start to Boxycharm. And the next thing I'm seeing in here is a little box. It's Battington Lashes. If all else fails, bat your lashes. So these are pretty. Those look nice for sure. I don't usually get lashes and stuff, so this is kind of weirding me out a little bit. I'm not used to getting lashes in boxes. It says these are the Monroe Silk Lashes and the MSRP is $28. Typically I don't spend $28 on lashes. Usually I'm just using disposable ones, but these are the kind of quality ones that you can kind of clean off and reuse multiple times. I think they're a good thing to have. I'm just worried about my ability as like a person to be able to remember to clean them up and put them back in the box. So I gotta work on that personally, but I think these are a great addition to the box, and now we're up to $70. So this is why Boxycharm usually wins over Glossybox. Just sheer brute force value in Boxycharm. The value of the Glossy box was about $70 if I took out that one lotion, and now we've gotten 2 items in the Boxycharm and we're already up to that $70 value. So Glossy box was definitely still a good value, but this is why Boxycharm is like my favorite box of all time. Okay, next thing I'm seeing here is this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is the shade Verona. This looks like a very pretty shade, kind of pretty similar to what I'm wearing right now. Yeah, and it just looks nice and creamy and pigmented. Looks really, really pretty. I think that'll be great. Actually, I might switch into this because this is a gloss, and I like liquid lipsticks a little bit better than glosses. So it says for that one we're at a value of $21, so now we're right about $90 in value for this box. I think we're doing pretty good. The next thing I'm seeing here is this Janeria Sol de Janeiro. I don't know how to, it's a it's a Brazilian bum bum cream. I've heard of this before, and it's definitely supposed to be super duper awesome. So I'm gonna have to try it out. It smells really, really good, but I've heard incredible things about this stuff, so definitely excited to get to try that out. And it says for this one, this is worth $10. I know that this stuff is expensive, so I'm sure it is worth $10. I wouldn't necessarily spend $10 on something like this myself, but it is always nice to get in a box where the value is kind of spread out. I get a ton of other stuff as well, so it kind of makes it a better deal for me, and I don't have to spend that $10 on this tiny little thing. The next thing I'm seeing here is this Jaunt Blue eyeliner pencil in dark brown. I've gotten a few of these before, and they're decent eyeliner pencils. They're not the highest quality ever, but they're definitely good, and I'll still use them for sure. It looks like we have a value on here of $5. That seems about right to me. That's about the max of what I would pay for something like this is $5. We have one more thing in here, and it looks like it's a palette. It is, and it's so pretty, you guys. Look at all those fun tropical colors. This looks so gorgeous. It's called Reina del Caribe. I'm gonna have to swatch some of these. So let's try the blue. Ah, my goodness, you guys. Look at that blue. Oh my goodness. Shoot, you guys, I'm so excited. I want to try this out. Whoo! You guys. Okay, I'm way too excited about this. This is so cool. And the colors are right up my alley. Definitely super excited to get to try this out. It says the full size of this is $28. That makes sense to me. I would pay about $28 for this. And the pans are huge. I mean, if you look at the pans on this thing, they're definitely just really large eyeshadow pans, and there are 8 of them, so I think that's a great deal. So guys, that was everything in my Boxycharm. I think we got a really, really good deal this month. If I add up the totals, we're looking at $136 worth of stuff in this box that cost me $20 a month. That's insane. So you guys, I'm not even gonna like lay it out there or anything. I think Glossy Box really stepped up their game this month. I think Glossy Box did great and had great value in there, but Boxycharm just blew everything out of the water this month. We got great value out of this box, and it was all really awesome stuff. Like this eyeshadow palette, these brushes, 3 brushes, we got some lashes, we got an eyeliner, and we got this bum bum cream, and we got the Ofra. Like, we got 6 items, and they're all really good value items. So I'm very excited with this month. I think it's great. I think they did a great job, and I'm happy with it. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, and make sure you subscribe if you have not already to see all of my new videos. And that's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!